PUPPYOO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum with 9 kPa strong suction bagless stick rechargeable lightweight vacuum for floor carpet hair wall mount. 2 inches 1 cord-free convenience, without the hassle of a cord, still provides an impressive 9 kPa of power to give you a deep, thorough cleaning. 180 degrees rotating direction design, freely rotates under the low-profile sofa, the bed or the cracks, good for surface-level pickup on stairs. Super suction power, powered by the direct drive motorhead technology, drives stiff nylon bristles into the carpets to capture deep down dirt or pet hair. Deep and thorough cleaning suits for carpet, hardwood floor. Super long running time, advanced intelligent BMS design technology, up to 35 minutes of fade-free suction. 2200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, 2.5-3H charging time, a fully charged can do one-time clean.